Off-road racer and drifter Vaughn Gittin Jr. has been modifying Broncos for years, but there's a big change coming for 2027. The Bronco RTR will now roll off of Ford's Michigan assembly lines. This vehicle is now considered just one step below a Bronco Raptor. There's also some big product changes. 2 levels of performance now. The base vehicle has 33-inch all-terrain tires with a high clearance suspension. That's a combination that has never been available on a Bronco before. You also get beadlock capable wheels and some major upgrades from the Bronco Raptor. That includes the 1,000 watt cooling fan for longer days in the desert and the steering gear from the Bronco Raptor for enhanced durability. The other upgrade you get, which was available on some Broncos, is anti-lag technology. That means when you're driving in the desert in Baja mode and you lift off the accelerator, the throttle actually stays open. Fuel stops flowing, but air continues to flow through the cylinders and out the exhaust to keep the turbocharger spinning. And that ensures that when you return to the throttle, the turbo's spooled up, ready to go and give you full power very, very quickly. These are going to come in 2 versions from the factory, the aforementioned 33-inch wheel version and an upgrade to the Sasquatch package with 35-inch tires and Fox internal bypass shocks upgraded from the Bilsteins on the standard configuration. All Bronco RTRs come with the 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4 and the 10-speed automatic transmission. There's no power change compared to the standard Bronco, and it only comes in this one configuration with 4 doors. The standard Bronco RTR also has an offset increase to improve the track width of this vehicle to the same as a Bronco with the Sasquatch package. And obviously you get some visual changes too, noticeably this Hyperlime accent color that's used all over the vehicle. The graphics on the hood and the side come from Johnson Valley, California. That's the 96,000-acre off-road playground with mud, sand, and whoops where this vehicle was designed and tested, where they also run the hardcore King of the Hammers race. We're seeing this Bronco RTR quite early. It won't be available for ordering until fall 2026, with deliveries beginning in winter 2027. We do know, though, that Ford is promising it will sell at a significant discount to the Bronco Raptor. For more on the Bronco RTR and all your automotive news and reviews, visit MotorTrend.com.